Hello everyone! We don't have to struggle anymore to make a greeting card for men. Let us make this crazily easy masculine card only with 2 folds. Take a rectangular piece of black chart paper and a white chart paper is also needed, which is half the breadth of the black paper we've taken. Now place the white paper in the center and fold the black paper this way. Ensure one side slightly overlaps the other this way. Once we have our gatefold ready, simply fold the top part of the gatefold back just to create the collar. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now let's make a bow tie. Take a 1-inch wide black paper strip and secure both the ends of it with a double-sided tape. Now cut V shape on both the sides. Wrap a 1/2-inch wide paper strip around the center and secure it. Now stick the bow tie to the white paper using some double-sided tape. Using an adhesive black glitter foam sheet, let's add the border lines and some buttons. Finally, write your message on the white paper. A perfect masculine birthday card. Isn't it one of the best gifts we can give the person close to our heart? Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button and do comment. Please subscribe if you have not yet. This is your Sue signing off.